Alright folks, so our CG125 project is underway, and there'll be probably more about that next week. But this week we are unveiling another project.
Project number 2.
And it is behind this door.
Let's wait and see.
Good luck. Right. Bit of a mess. Interior has been pulled out, some things have been changed at the back, but don't worry, we're going to sort all that out.
And as you can see, it's a bit of a multicolored car.
Oh, only a little bit. I've got green lights. Don't worry, it'll all be one colour by the time we're done. Yeah, where's the right right here? That's happened. So the sills are going to need to be done. They're not too bad, but I'll probably just cut out and replace the whole things just to be sure. Do it right first time round. They don't scratch it. So yeah, this is the project. This is my personal one. This is a car that I'm never going to sell because I had one for long enough and I did sell it and I regret it. So this one's a keeper for me, and he's just going to assist.
I'm going to assist. Stand, hand him a ratchet, maybe a spanner. But more importantly, Jem is going to get his youth back.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
yes.
midlife crisis time.
Midlife. 2 fathers of 2 children who had nice, well, you had nice cars, I had a nice motorbike that blew up underneath me.
Alright, you gotta give your life history now?
Yes.
Hello, my name's Colin, I'm 30 odd years old. Yeah, so what we're gonna start doing then is pulling the engine out of this, because yeah, the engine is good, the 3S GE engine is good, but I've got a better one sitting in the garage, so I'm going to use that instead. Yeah, the other thing is I want to have this project done, finished, completed, on the road, completely road legal, all the rest of that by my birthday. Which
40th.
Thanks for that. Which, let's see, that gives me about 6 months, which isn't long.
Not long at all.
Now, I've already been out and sourced stuff and got engine and got other bits and pieces, and there's other stuff that I'm currently doing. I'm in contact with a lot of people that have been very helpful along the way so far, and I'm sure will prove to be even more helpful as I get deeper into this project.
The other people know what they're doing?
Yeah, the other people have done this before. And yeah, I'll give each one of them a shout out when I get the chance and when I'm actually using their stuff or using information that they've given me. Yeah, I'm going to start getting the engine out.
Here we go.
All right.